Hello friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. This is your narrator Ravi Gupta. Today we are going to talk about the subcommittee of the IMO. This is the second video of the subcommittee of the IMO. In our first video we have talked about implementation of IMO instrument and the carriage of cargo and container. In today's video we will talk about PPR, HTW and Navigation, Communication and Search and Rescue Subcommittee. So we'll cover these three subcommittee in today's video. As you know that subcommittee are provided so that they can provide assistance to the MSc and MEPC in order to carry out the work. So let's start the today video. So what is the main function of the subcommittee of the pollution prevention and response? So as you know, under the direct instruction of MSc and MEPC, the PPR, short form is PPR. PPR is basically seen on this following subject. The first is that prevention and control of pollution of the marine environment from ship related to the maritime operations such as CLC and bunker. So CLC and bunker are, you can say, are the ideas which is being provided and given by this committee. Safety and environmental sound recycling of the ship, which is related to the Hong Kong Convention. Evaluation of safety and pollution hazard of the liquid substance in bulk transported by the ship. Okay. Control and management of harmful aquatic organism in the ship ballast water and sediment biofouling, ballast water management system. Pollution preparedness response and corporation of oil and hazard and noxious substance OPRC. So as you can see, what I have done, I have named the convention which have a direct relation to the PPR. CLC bunker, which talks about if any pollution occur in the maritime environment, how the liability and compensation will be made. That is been given by the CLC and bunker. So that is overseen by the PPR. If a ship is in recycle, it should be recycled in a sound way. That is being seen by the Hong Kong Convention. If the ballast treatment should be done in proper way so that it does not cause any environmental impact, is been seen by the ballast water management system, which talks about the ballast water treatment system. Whenever a pollution occur, in that case how the pollution should be tackled and how the preparedness should be done, that has been talked about the OPRC. So what happened in the examination, sometimes they say that which subcommittee deals with the OPRC, which committee deal with the ballast water management system, which committee deal with the Hong Kong Convention. So you should know that PPR, pollution prevention and response, deal with this all committee. Now we move to the navigation, communication, search and rescue. So this navigation, communication, search and rescue subcommittee deals with all the matter related to navigation and communication, including approval of ship routing measure and ship reporting system. So the ship reporting system, ship routing measure is overseen by the NCSR, and after that it provide the carriage requirement and performance standard for navigation and communication equipment. Means how, what performance standard, on what basis the communication and navigation equipment should be measured, that will be seen by the NCSR. One of the example is that the GMDSS equipment is tested frequently. Okay, so that all performance is set by this committee. The long range identification and tracking system LRIT and development of e-navigation, all are seen by this NCSR. GMDSS is seen by this MCSR. So as you can see, the navigation, communication, search and rescue basically deals with the ship's navigation equipment, ship's reporting equipment, ship long range communication equipment. So they set the standard on how and what performance basis it should be, how it should be reported, how it should be monitored. All things is been taken care by this thing. Also, its joint work group to NCSR subcommittee include International Civil Association Organization on harmonization of aeronautics and maritime search and rescue. The joint IMO and ITU expert group on maritime radio communication matters. So these are the work of the NCSR. After that, we talks about human element training and watchkeeping. So as you can see, the subcommittee of human element training watchkeeping deals with the human side of the shipping. It means when what aspect of the human side, that thing is being dealt by this human element training and watchkeeping, including the training and certification, review and updating and revision of IMO model course. So basically, the human element training and watchkeeping deals with the human side of a shipping, including the training and certification, and also the review and update of the IMO model course, and also provide guidance to issues such as fatigue. Okay, so these certain courses such as BRM, ERM, these are all the development of HTW. Now they also oversee the HTW courses are properly implemented, are properly followed, properly trained. These are also seen by this human training and watchkeeping. So in today's video, we have learned that what is the work of a subcommittee of HTW, NCSR and PPR. So I hope in today's video we have covered all the three subcommittee which are asked in the examination. Please do like the video,